Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video clip I will tell you, as well as show you how you can fix the speaker icon that turns gray when making calls on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to put likes under this video, be sure to write your comments, and also subscribe to our channel. And let's get started on this topic. So, first of all, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone. And then select Special Features. Then swipe down a little bit and tap on Touch. Here, friends, also scroll down and find this option. Tap on it. And then you will need to switch this option to speaker. Then, friends, please go back to the settings. Scroll down some more and select Screen Time. After that, also scroll through the Screen Time option and find this section. Now you will need to click on the button here at the top to disable any content and security restrictions on your iPhone. If these steps, unfortunately, they didn't work for you, then I recommend that you see if your iPhone has been updated to the latest version. To do this, you'll need to, friends, go back out to Settings, go to General, and then Update. Here you'll be able to see what version of iOS you currently have your iPhone on. If it says here that you can still update your phone to a more recent version, then do that. And after the update is complete, I recommend that you also reboot your phone so that you can 100% fix your error with the speaker icon. If that didn't work for you, then go back to Settings and open General. Scroll to the very bottom and select Reset iPhone. Click Reset and reset all settings. This will reset all the settings you have made on your iPhone. It will revert to the state you had when you first started using this iPhone. So you can try this method. It will help you to remove and fix absolutely all the corrupted files. It will also update your iPhone to the latest version, reboot your phone. And thus can you fix your speaker icon problem. But since absolutely all your settings that you have done before will be abandoned, I recommend that you go to this step only as a last resort. This is how you can fix the speaker icon that turns gray when making calls on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to put likes under the video and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.